So it comes in this beautiful leather case. Like I said, everything you need. So many tools. There's tools for your face to help with acne, picking the acne. There's tools for like trimming your nose hairs. There's tools for your eyebrows, nails, feet, for manicures, pedicures. There's so many things on here. I'll just go ahead and use just the basic clippers, rotate it 360, and then you can go ahead and clip your nails with it and make it nice and smooth. And then after you clip, pull out the file and go ahead and file those down. So, awesome kit, comes with everything you need, and just very useful. Discover professional nail care at your fingertips. This 26-piece manicure set offers a complete range of tools. From nail clippers to facial care instruments, it's all here. Achieve salon quality results in the comfort of your home. Crafted from durable stainless steel for long-lasting use. Your perfect travel companion for personal grooming.